Retirement is supposed to be the time when you finally enjoy the rewards of decades of hard work. No alarm clocks, no long commutes, no rushing to the office. Just more time for family, hobbies, and the freedom you've earned. But here's something many retirees discovered too late. Retirement isn't just about how much money you've saved. It's about the decisions you make after you retire. A few small mistakes that seem harmless at first, can quietly cost thousands of dollars over the years. The good news? Most of these mistakes are completely avoidable once you know what to look for. Today, we're counting down 10 costly retirement mistakes every American should avoid. And stay with us until the very end, because the final mistake is one that even financially responsible retirees make without realizing it. And fixing it could protect your retirement for years to come. Let's get started. Number 10. Living without a monthly budget. Many people think budgeting ends once they retire. After all, the house may be paid off, the kids have grown up, and you're no longer commuting to work. But retirement actually makes budgeting even more important. Without a regular paycheck, every dollar matters. Many retirees slowly spend more than they realize, dining out a little more often, ordering online more frequently, helping family members here and there. None of these purchases seem expensive by themselves, but together they can quietly drain your savings. Reviewing your monthly spending, even just once each month, can help you spot small leaks before they become major financial problems. Number 9. Claiming benefits without understanding your options. One of the biggest retirement mistakes is making important financial decisions too quickly. Many retirees claim benefits simply because friends or neighbors did the same thing. But everyone's financial situation is different. The best decision for someone else may not be the best decision for you. Before making any major retirement decision, take time to understand your options and how they fit your own goals and circumstances. A little research today can prevent years of regret later. Number 8. Ignoring inflation. Here's something many retirees underestimate. Prices don't stop increasing just because you've stopped working. Groceries become more expensive, utility bills rise, insurance premiums change. Medical costs often increase over time. Even a modest increase in prices year after year can reduce your purchasing power significantly over a long retirement. Planning for rising costs, not just today's expenses, is one of the smartest things any retiree can do. Number 7. Keeping old subscriptions. Take a moment to think about everything you're paying for each month. Streaming services, magazine subscriptions, gym memberships, mobile apps, premium TV channels. Many retirees continue paying for services they barely use. $5 here, $15 there, $20 somewhere else. Individually, they seem small. Together, they can add up to hundreds of dollars every year. A simple subscription review once or twice a year can uncover surprising savings. Number 6. Never asking for senior discounts. One of the easiest ways to save money is also one of the most overlooked. Simply ask. Many restaurants, stores, pharmacies, hotels, museums, and local businesses offer senior discounts. But they don't always advertise them. If you never ask, you'll never know. And over the course of a year, those missed discounts can easily add up to hundreds of dollars in savings. Sometimes the easiest money to save is the money you never have to spend. Number 5. Not reviewing insurance. Every year, many retirees renew their insurance policies automatically, year after year, without asking a single question. But insurance companies regularly update rates and available discounts. You might qualify for savings you didn't qualify for a few years ago, or another company may offer similar coverage for less. Taking 30 minutes once a year to compare policies could potentially save far more than most people expect. Number 4. Waiting too long to plan for healthcare costs. Healthcare is one of the biggest expenses many retirees face. Unfortunately, many people don't think about these costs until they actually need medical care. Planning ahead can make a huge difference. Understanding your coverage, comparing available plans, and preparing for future healthcare expenses can reduce stress and help avoid unexpected financial surprises. The earlier you prepare, the more options you'll usually have. Number 3. Carrying high-interest debt into retirement. Retirement should bring more peace, not more monthly payments. High-interest credit card debt can quietly eat away at retirement income. Every month that balance grows, more of your money goes toward interest instead of your future. If possible, reducing expensive debt before or during retirement can provide more financial flexibility and greater peace of mind. Number 2. Never reviewing your financial plan. Many retirees create a retirement plan, then never look at it again. But life changes. Markets change, expenses change, goals change. A retirement plan should change too. Even reviewing your finances once a year can help you stay on track and make adjustments before small problems become large ones. Think of it like an annual health checkup, but for your money. Number 1. Believing retirement planning is finished. This may be the most expensive mistake of all. Many people believe retirement planning ends on the day they retire. In reality, that's when a new chapter begins. Retirement isn't a finish line. It's a journey that may last 20 or even 30 years. During that time, laws can change, living costs can change, personal needs can change, and your financial strategy may need to change as well. The retirees who stay informed, continue learning, and regularly review their finances are often the ones who enjoy the greatest financial confidence. Retirement isn't about being perfect. It's about making thoughtful decisions one step at a time. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these retirement mistakes surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another retiree who could benefit from these tips. Because sometimes avoiding one costly mistake is worth far more than finding one extra source of income. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.